What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. My name is Thomas, and today I'm gonna start on a little fun project. I'm gonna be making some Halloween decoration for my cars. I picked up a pillow and some new shoes because I'm gonna be needing my old shoes for this project. First things first, I gotta get rid of these old ones, put on my new ones so I can work with my old shoes for this project. So that's the first part finished. Gonna grab everything together now. Got everything a little bit spread out. Got my old shoes. Got the pillow I'm gonna need for stuffing. It's just a cheap pillow I picked up just for using on this project because it's going to die. Got some old pants I'm gonna be using. Needle, thread. I also need some bags which I have laying around somewhere. Gonna grab all my stuff together, put the guys up, and we'll get going. On a quick note, this is not a sewing channel, it is still a car channel, but I'm gonna be sewing today. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this. I hope you're excited too about this small project I'm doing. So I got everything set up, got everything laying around me, reachable. I'm sitting on the pillow, it's nice and soft. As always, working on the ground. So I think I'm gonna start by grabbing the pants, looking at the forward facing position is. I'm gonna grab my shoe and just kinda sew it in like that. Yeah, it will be a lot of work. I'm gonna be time-lapsing this, so you won't get too bored of watching me trying to sew. It's not real leather, it's some fake leather. I think it will be a hard one to go through. Yes, it's very hard to go through, so I'm gonna sure put you in time lapse. That's not cutting it. It's really hard to sew and it's just not strong enough to be hanging the way I want it to hang. So came up with a different solution. Gonna try to use tie wraps, make some small cuts around the shoe, around the pants, and that's the way I'm gonna try to do it. first part is done. This is gonna be so funny when people see this. I'm gonna now go ahead and cut the pillow to fill part of these pants up so it looks a bit more real and not as flimsy as it is right now. Well, I guess sewing really isn't something for me. Even this. What should be simple, I think, to sew it just goes. It isn't working and the needle goes through easily. I'm gonna try something else. Maybe I've got something laying around which I can use to do it, because I really want to close it off so it stays nice and it doesn't rely on the trunk to stay closed. So I'll see you back in a second when I found something that's usable. Under the motto of when in doubt use tie wraps, I'm gonna cut through the pants. I'm just gonna use tie wraps to seal it off.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
It's kinda how I want it to be. So let's go to the car outside my garage and have a quick little test fit and see how it looks. If it looks good, I'm gonna make a second one for the other car so I can have some fun with that. It's actually pretty funny. I put a little too much of the pillow in there, but the trunk closes, so that's all good. I think I might leave it there for now. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna make the other one. So now that I kinda know what I'm doing, it's gonna be a whole lot easier. It's gonna go a whole lot quicker. So let's get on with it and get the second one finished today.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like...
Well, as you could see, the second one went a lot quicker. So this one I'm gonna try and put in the roof box. My base car. I wanna try and have it there for the show I'm attending the 26th of October. It's gonna be a Halloween themed show, so this will be a funny decoration for that. And well, it can fit, so gonna leave it like that for now. So now I'm driving around with the dead man in the trunk of my Golf and the dead man in the roof box of my Passat. So Couldn't be happier. Turned out even greater than I hoped it would be. And just like that, we've come to the end of this video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment down below on what your plans are with your cars this Halloween, or just in general, your Halloween plans. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel. For now, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.